So as family physicians, we get to be a part of big changes in people's lives. And one example, I was working with a gentleman, and we really worked together to set up a plan to move forward with things like nutrition and physical activity and sleep, and saw transformational changes for him. And you could see an improvement in his quality of life. And that made a big impact on just his future, his longevity, his health. And that was just a really rewarding experience, being able to walk through that journey with him and help guide him and be that advocate, that advisor for him. Hi, my name is Dr. Mathew Paine, and I am a board-certified family physician at the PartnerMD office in Richmond, Virginia. So my philosophy of care is to really serve as a person's medical home, that we're really the center point for your overall health needs, not only your physical and your mental health, but really looking at prevention, wellness, longevity, really kind of your overall picture of who you are and what you want your health to be. So my favorite part of being a family physician is really developing those long-term relationships with my patients, really kind of walking through life's journey with them, going through the peaks and going through the valleys, and really just watching transformation happen, and really to help guide their mental health, their physical health, help really through any kind of transformational change that they're really looking for. So what I would really hope patients would say about their care that they receive from me is that they feel heard, they feel respected, they feel as though they are a critical part of their medical care, and that they feel empowered to make whatever changes that they need to make in order to stay healthy for decades to come. So when we first meet, I want to hear about your medical history, where you're coming from, what kind of experiences you've had. It's hard to know where you're going if you don't know where you've been. And then I'd like to take the next step and really help understand your values and goals. What are your goals? What are you working for or working towards, so that we can work together in a journey to better health. Outside of the office, I'm involved with my church. I've been blessed to be able to travel around the world and do mission trips in places like Brazil and Tanzania. I love working with my hands and creating new things, whether it's woodworking or digging in the garden, and then going on adventures with my family, whether it's hiking through the Grand Canyon or climbing the top of volcanoes. We're always up for something new and exciting.